Hello friends! Today we'll open the Lenovo Yoga 7i. As always, you'll find everything about the laptop in our detailed text review on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. Now let's start. We use a Torx T5 driver to remove 7 bottom screws. The first 4 near the front edge are just 3 mm long. The 3 screws closer to the hinges are longer, about 7.5 mm each. With a thin plastic tool, we start popping the side clips right here. We avoid the hinge area for now, and you'll soon see why. We rotate the laptop and continue working the pick along the chassis until the cover is free near the second hinge. The center is still latched, so to avoid breaking it, we switch to a small suction cup. We press the cup firmly onto a clean spot. Dampening it slightly can improve the seal. A steady pull forward and upward separates the panel from the frame. This unit needs a bit of extra force, so take it slow and keep the angle gentle. Done. The lid has 5 plastic posts that slide in between the hinges. Here they are. That's why we started from the side with the blue pry tool, then pulled the cover forward before lifting. Before we continue, here's the interior. Single fan cooling, twin heat pipes, a compact 2242 SSD, and all memory soldered to the board. The RAM is LPDDR5X8533, offered in 16 GB or 32 GB dual channel configurations. And it isn't upgradable later, so choose your configuration wisely when buying. Downfiring stereo speakers flank the battery pack, aiming through generous cutouts for clearer audio. Next, we disconnect the battery cable with a non-metal spudger to cut power. The 70 Wh lithium-ion pack is held by 3 3mm screws. Here goes the first one. Now the second screw from the opposite corner. The third screw is out, all removed with a JIS number 1 screwdriver. Cable unplugged and screws gone. The battery lifts free. Here were the screws. You can check our battery life test results on laptopmedia.com, and don't miss our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking. We loosen the single screw securing the SSD with the same JIS number 1 bit. Its tip fits the head perfectly. The M2 drive is a 1TB SK Hynix PC 801 PCI Express 4x4 in the short 2242 form factor. See our full review for our storage speed test. When reinstalling, tighten the SSD screw to about 0.2 Newton meters, no more. If you want every detail on the Yoga 7i, including performance charts and display tests, read our in-depth review on laptopmedia.com. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next teardown.